Cleo, good morning to you. And what we are tracking, of course, is Francine still in the Gulf. And like you mentioned, some coastal flooding already, seeing those outer bands making it into areas of South Texas, and even some of that cloud cover and rain actively happening in New Orleans is because of this tropical moisture. Now, what's going to happen is that Francine will strengthen. You can see the center of circulation there, very present now. Max sustained winds of 65 miles per hour, still classifying it as a tropical storm. But eventually, we're going to see this move strengthen to Category 1 strength today. This will continue to tap into some of the very warm water in the Gulf, and it will strengthen to Category 2 status by Wednesday afternoon, making landfall along the Louisiana coastline. Now, here's the thing. With systems like this and under the pattern that we're in, these tend to shift a little bit to the east. So we could see this very well shift east here in the next 48 hours. So we'll be watching that. The good news is that Texas is on the drier side of the path. This eventually does go right along the Mississippi and into areas of the Midwest as we approach the end of the week. Let's show you what this looks like on our timecast, though. You see those outer bands likely making it into areas like Houston as early as Wednesday morning, but a bulk of the rainfall will be falling across areas of Louisiana as that center of circulation pushes north. This is now Wednesday afternoon. You see some of those outer bands making it into areas of Texas as well. So we'll be watching for rain potential on Wednesday. As far as any watches or warnings go, tropical storm watch, tropical storm warnings, not just along the Texas coastline, but Louisiana as well. Louisiana, you see those extend inland into Baton Rouge, so that'll be something to watch. On top of that, the storm surge is something we're watching. The highest by far will be along Louisiana, but areas like Galveston, areas like Southeast Texas, closer to Beaumont, we could see 3 to 5 feet. And remember, storm surge is water that gets pushed inland thanks to the tropical storm force winds. So again, something that we'll be watching here in the next 24 to 48 hours, but Texas is on the drier side of the storm this time around. Kara.
All right.